Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the innovative world of the Rachio Smart Hose Timer with Wi-Fi Hub, designed for effortless outdoor watering and smart lawn care. This easy-to-install device connects to your faucet, allowing you to automate watering schedules for your lawn, garden, and yard directly from your phone using the Rachio app. Say goodbye to tedious hand watering as this smart system ensures your plants receive the water they need, while also being compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for seamless voice control. One of its standout features is Smart Rain Skips, which monitors the weather and automatically skips watering if rain is expected or has already occurred, conserving water and protecting your plants from overwatering. For those moments when you need a quick manual watering session, simply start a quick run from the app or press the blue button directly on the timer. This smart hose timer is perfect for anyone looking to simplify their outdoor watering routine while keeping their plants healthy and thriving. So, if you're ready to transform your garden care with cutting-edge technology, the Rachio Smart Hose Timer is your go-to solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.